So I am currently in Jamaica. I am staying at the Hilton Rose Hall. I'm going to show you guys what the room looks like, the restaurants. I'm going to show you guys the pool, the beach, everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys stay here as well. If you do like this video and want to come to Jamaica and you think that this resort is a nice resort to stay at, make sure you comment and let us know if you're going to stay at this resort. I had so much fun here and I know you guys will have fun.
Hello one and all, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to start off this video, I'm just joking guys, I'm not gonna speak in my Jamaican accent because it sounds so bad, but anyways, this is the front of the resort. Look how beautiful the landscaping is. Like, I had a field day taking pictures in this beautiful landscaping. Anyways, I'm turning around and I am walking towards the lobby. Look how beautiful the tiles look, the furniture, the design. So over here it was the taxi prices, so you can find out how much it is to charter a taxi to get around in Jamaica. So we're walking and we're walking, and now we are in the lobby. So this is where you can lounge around, chill. This is where you check in and check out, and I believe the excursions are on the left hand side in the lobby. So this is what it looks like, and right over there is where you can check your photos.
So guys, we're gonna do a room tour. So I'm right here, my Adidas. So we're doing a room tour. So this is the room that we're gonna be staying in for 7 days. So this is the washroom. This is what it looks like. Very nice. And then over here is our closet. So this is obviously going to be one closet. Lamar could take this one because it has less space and he has less clothes. And this side will be my side because I have more clothes, more shoes. And there's a door here. I don't know why there's a door here because it's just Lamont and I that's in this room. These are our beds. 2 queen size beds. This is my side, that's my side. Then there's a table here where I can do my makeup. There's a mirror right there, makes it all better. The only thing that I don't like is the view. Like literally, the view sucks. Like, it's not great, but can't complain. I'm in Jamaica, so that's all right. We're not gonna be on the balcony anyways that much unless we're putting our clothes out. And yeah, that's pretty much our room in a nutshell.
So one thing we really liked about this resort is that it had a gym. My brother and I, we love the gym. We love to work out. So having a gym like this with enough space was very, very beneficial. After, you know, we get our workout on, we would head upstairs and we would go to the cafe. Reminds me so much of Starbucks because they had cupcakes, they had little cakes, they had little snacks, they had cookies. So when you wake up in the morning, you want your coffee, you can also have a snack as well. They had iced coffee, they had frappuccinos, they had a variety of stuff. That's why I love this resort so much. So I'm showing you guys the peanut butter cookies and all the little snacks here, cupcakes, muffins, and whatnot. So basically, I'm showing you guys what she was making for me that day. I wanted an iced coffee so bad. So I said, hook me up with a nice iced coffee after my workout. So she's making the iced coffee for me. And also they show you a menu of what they currently have that day and will be serving. So, and that coffee was so good. I miss Jamaica and the lovely Blue Mountain coffee. But Yeah, and they have the teas there. They have iced teas and all the other teas there that you would like to make, from green tea to spiced tea to black tea. They had everything. And here a lot of people use their computers, their laptops. I saw people working in here as well. It was a very, very good vacation. So this is the buffet area. So they had a lot of West Indian food, which I really loved about this resort. They had fried dumpling, they had ackee and saltfish, they had all different types of like Caribbean type food. They also had a good mixture of American food as well. They had scrambled eggs, omelets, you name it. They had a good amount of everything. I think a lot of resorts have this, but they have stations where chefs make the omelets right in front of you. I really like that because I get a fresh omelet every single day. So, and I know you guys can see my plate. I had ackee and saltfish, fried plantain, and fried dumpling. And this resort has about, I believe, 6 restaurants. Some of the dining was in the same restaurant, which made it 6 restaurants. But you had a pizzeria, you had an Italian, you had Jamaican, you had steakhouse. It was very, very good. The food was very good. Now, after eating your belly full, I'm sure that we're gonna want to go into the pool. So you can get your towels there. You give them your towel cards. There is 2 pools. So there's a big pool, which goes into a lazy pool, as you guys can see. And there is one pool by itself, close to the buffet area. The lazy pool is so nice. This resort is very family oriented. So there's a hot tub here, and then also there is a water park. I never got to go try out the slides, the water slides this time. My brother went on it. He had a lot of fun. But if you love these type of things, this is definitely a good resort for you. So as you guys can see, there is a section for kids. So there's a swing set right there. There is a basketball court, which drove my brother crazy because my brother loves basketball. He's a basketball fanatic. So he saw that, he's like, yeah, yay! And then there's a play center for little kids, toddlers. And there is a teen zone area for my teens. A little place where they can play video games, watch TV, movies. And if you want to relax, there's actually 2 spas. There's one right on the beach and there's one inside. So if you're looking for a massage, I haven't tried it. Next time when I come back, I will try, but there is a place where you can get massages, pedicures, whatnot. Now, this one's very interesting to talk about because I enjoyed the beach. One person that we asked if they enjoyed the beach, they said not really, just because the beach, I found, when you get into the beach, it's very rocky. So the beach is rocky, so you have to be careful, get your shoes. But as soon as you bypass the rocks, it becomes sand, and after that, it's more sand. So I had no problems with it, but other people did have some problems with it. That's why the beach wasn't as busy, but I enjoyed it. Ooh, this is so relaxing. The hammocks, oh my gosh. If you're looking to chill, relax, you guys have to try this out. It is so peaceful and zen. Oh my God. And if you're looking to play golf, There's a golf course here. You can rent the golf clubs and whatnot. I don't know too much about golf, but I believe you can rent all of that equipment there. Not sure how much it costs. I would call them and ask them how much it would cost. Maybe you can bring your own with you, but there's a golf course. And the entertainment was so much fun, guys. I actually really liked it. I very much enjoyed it. It was a good mixture for adults and kids. They had kids involved and they also had adults involved. It was very, very good. So if you want to take a break from the beach and the pool, head over to the gift shop. The gift shop had everything from bathing suits, from souvenirs. You can get t-shirts. If you have an allergic reaction to something, you can get your hydrocortisone. They had medication. They had everything there. Sunscreen. They have drinks there. They have liquor. They have everything that you can name up. Hats, visors. There is two sides to this gift shop. So one side has your keychains and the other side has your clothes. So souvenirs, and then you have clothes on the other side. So you can pretty much get everything that you need here, but it is fairly expensive. And if you run out of money, you can head over to the ATM. Overall, this is a very, very, very nice resort. It's definitely 4.5 star. The only thing that I would say would be kind of like a downfall is the beach. Just getting into the water was slightly a little bit of a challenge, but once you get into the water, it's not rocky after that. And also, I wish the buffet was slightly bigger. That would have been a plus as well, but it was very good, very family oriented. I really enjoyed our vacation. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna be coming to this resort. If you do plan to come to Jamaica, I would love to know if this is one of your top resorts that you are looking to stay at. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.